there's a lot of enthusiasm about tools, as there should be. There's some pretty exciting ways in which anomaly detection, machine learning algorithms are helping advance the ball to adapt to this new world where you've got exploding cloud-driven, digital transformation-driven environments. So a lot more to track. But you also need people in process. And so that's an overriding factor here when we look at the success factors. Organizations need to have a strategic plan. You need to have strategic objectives and oversight. So ideally, you'll have a data leader who's going to assemble a team, who's going to recruit a cross-functional set of individuals to build that data observability program. And so the team really involves data engineers. It's going to involve data stewards within the line of business who, as part of their, they'll have a separate day job in a lot of cases, but they'll need to enforce data quality rules. They'll need to contribute to ongoing reviews and oversight of data flows. Another key element of the strategic plan is to identify control points. And these are control points both from all three elements. They're from a architecture, from a technology perspective. What are the points within your data pipelines that where does it make the most sense to check quality? Where are there issues most likely to arrive? So what's the higher risk in order to prevent bottlenecks, in order to prevent issues that proliferate? Another control point is to look at people. Who are the people best equipped to monitor and handle these data observability tools? And then there's also process. What's the right workflow for these individuals to, I should say work stream for these individuals to spot issues and collaborate cross-functionally with business owners to alert them, and with members of the IT team and the data team. So those are all the big three elements of the strategic plan that you need to have. The next is program design. It's critical for, say, the data engineer who's going to be leading this effort, or the head of the data team who's going to be leading this data observability program. They need to design architecture. And that's not to say they're going to design ground up new pipelines and so forth. They need to figure out how they're going to fit into and adapt the existing architecture. They also need to select the right tools. We're here today to help you evaluate tools and select the right one for your business. And so we're going to be digging into that a fair amount. Setting milestones is critical. We find that the most effective data observability programs are ambitious in scope, but incremental in approach. You want to have finite, achievable, near-term milestones to gauge success, to demonstrate success to the business, to individual stakeholders, and then to implement on that and sort of execute on phase 2, phase 3. It's a good way to secure budget and demonstrate to executive sponsors that you can achieve this. The third key element here is program execution, implementing and integrating tools, monitoring KPIs. And by KPIs here, we mean, for data flows, but also for program success. What's the rate of data errors that are influencing the business? And program execution, learning and adapting, is critical. You need to respond to the different levels of achievement as you go past different milestones.